It's a new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. This Silverado is never shy about flexing its solid steel muscle. You'll be anxious to put it to work. It comes with great features you love: V8 engine, gas pressurized shocks, automatic transmission, trailer brake controller, streaming audio, wireless phone connectivity, air conditioning, mirror mounted spotlights, four-wheel drive, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and power heated mirrors. Kelley Blue Book explains, whether purchasing for commercial construction, agriculture, or recreational towing, if your needs are truly heavy-duty, you will likely find those needs met with the Chevrolet Silverado HD, which offers all of the virtues with few of the vices normally associated with a heavy-duty truck. There's more than a century of ingenuity and significance in every Chevy. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.